This is the dash in our red 1992 Camaro. It's pretty cracked up. So let's go see if we have any better ones in any of the parts cars. This is our 82 Camaro parts car, and the dash is in a little bit better shape than the one in the 92, but we're gonna keep on looking. Here's our 87 parts car, and it doesn't have a dash in it at all. This is our 85, and that dash is toast. And here is one that was in this 86 parts car. It's in better shape than the one that's in my car, so we'll take it. So here's the dash that's in the car currently. As you can see, it's pretty cracked and faded. It is held in by 4 screws that are right up in here. And then there's also several screws up underneath here that you have to take out as well. These ones are 7mm, but I'm not 100% sure if they are factory or not. I got all the front screws out, so now we'll just get the back screws removed. You gotta be careful not to drop these down into the vents. Alright, all the screws are out. So now you should be able to just slide this back and pull it out. There's the old dash compared to the dash we're putting in. As you can see, the new dash is in a lot better shape than the old one. Alright, so now we'll slide the new one in. And we'll get it bolted back in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and go follow us on TikTok at GM_junkie for more car content.